Welcome news came on February 25, 1952, to address complaints that Victoria Jubilee Hospital needed to provide more beds for delivering mothers. The number of admissions rose from 4,000 in 1943 to over 10,000 in 1951. "100 admissions tickets had been issued daily, but many expectant mothers were turned away because a crowd of so many mothers waiting outside exceeded that limit. The mayor of Kingston and St. Andrews referred 4 cases to the hospital authority. He reported that these 4 expected mothers had difficulties getting any of the 100 admissions tickets. In order to reduce the number of normal admissions and provide attention for abnormal cases, the medical department announced they would start a home delivery service in collaboration with district midwives in Kingston and St. Andrews. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.